So this is a review slash unboxing of the NEEWER light stand. The stand works with a lot of different pieces of equipment, but specifically for NEEWER light accessories. So as you can see here, here's a tripod. Very sturdy looking, very strong, and I'm just telling you, you can't feel what I feel in my hand, but it's got a good weight to it, like it's solid. You can tell it's made of good material. Very stiff, as you see me trying to move the arms. The legs flip both directions, so I'm flipping them down so that I can stand the stem straight up. And you see this little push button right here. It locks it into 2 to 3 different positions. So I can put it in the position that it's in now, or I can lower it so it has a better center of gravity. Now the Allen wrench will loosen and tighten that screw because, like I said, right now it's very stiff, which I like, but if I needed to loosen it, I could use that Allen wrench. So as you can see now, I'm just adjusting to get all the legs the same height. The reason I purchased this is because I am really heavy into the social media scene, and I needed a really good light, and I decided to go with this particular brand, NEEWER, and I ordered a light kit. I ordered the soft box, and I ordered the stand that you see in the video here. So now these legs actually extend about another 1.5 feet out. All you do is break that little tab there, slide the leg out, and then lock that tab back, and it gives you an even higher height. So this thing actually extends pretty tall. But getting back to my story, I bought this because I needed a really good light for my social media content. And there's 3 different levels here where this thing will stand out. So this is the first one. I would say it extends out about 2.5 feet. Each section does. And again, I'm showing you the next section. Lock that one in, and then the third section as well. Now, if you notice a little silver tip on the end there, this thing is multi-purposeful. Now, this thing works perfect for the light kit that I bought from NEEWER, but it also works some of my old equipment. I have some old devices because it has a little screw head on the end, the threaded screw head, so I can use it for some of my other applications as well. If you see here, you see the little screw. So if you have other equipment, camera equipment, other video equipment, it'll screw right onto there.